welcome back, my dear student. So in this lecture, I want to show you how to add another functionality to our application. It's just gonna make everything better. Now, what I want to do, if you haven't noticed yet, I'm gonna tell you right now. When we delete one of these slides, we actually leave behind, all right, the image itself on the folder uploads. All right, so our server is going to be full of images. All right, we keep deleting our records, but these images are always going to be there. All right, now we need to also delete those images. We need to delete the database record, and at the same time we also need to delete those images. So to do that, let me show you a way. All right, so let's actually get this here to our code. Sorry about those moving of files there, but I got so many monitors there, I'm used to it. All right, guys. But anyway, let's go to our functions. Actually, not our functions. We got to go to templates and delete slide.php. All right. So now we know that we are doing this query right here, right? And we're confirming it there. But at the same time, we can do something like delete, right? That file itself. All right. So first of all, we need to actually create a path to where that image is. All right. And we need to have the name of that image. So let's go to I want to show you this. Make sure you have it open. Let's go to our functions. All right. And let's go to that function that adds the slides. And let me show you what's going on here. So we add the slides. Let's find it. All right. All right. So what we need is this information right here. All right. We need to find out exactly where our image is. We need to know the name of the image and the directory where it is. So now you might be asking yourself, how in the world are we going to find that? Well, one way is actually doing it manually, right? Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to our delete slide, and here we're just gonna say target path, right? And we need to go to that folder, but now that folder is where? Do you remember what that folder is? Well, let's go to our, sorry about that, guys. Let me show you right here from the directory where it is. You see resources right here. This is where all the images are. All right, and remember, this file now is getting included in the admin page. All right, so if you are in admin, you're in the public directory right here. So you need to go back to admin. You need to go back to resources and then to uploads to find that. So right here, you could say something like, let's do it. We got to go back 1, 2. Remember? From right here. 1 and 2. And then resources and then uploads. Resources and then uploads, like that. And then the name of the image. All right. So the problem with this is, first of all, we don't have the name of the image. So what we need to do is actually make a query to go inside the database. That's right. We need to go inside and find, and let me give you a clue because this is going to be a challenge for you. We need to find this specific ID. All right. This image, we need to pull out the image name. All right. Where the image is located. And then we need to unlink it. When you do this, and I want you to go ahead and do that, create a query, go inside the database, find the image. All right. Get the image name. And I want you to create a path here. It's going to be, when you complete it, right, it's going to say target. We're going to assign it to this variable. And then we're going to use this function, which is really simple. I'm going to show it to you right now. It's going to be called onLink. All right. And all you got to do is put this target path right here. and that's going to actually delete that image for you. So I'm going to leave this as a challenge for you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care and good luck.